it's me, Jack7. I was thinking of installing this Panama 5 in my room. So, as you know, this fan is a really nice looking fan I got from Pacific Sun Fans for free. Yeah, to replace some of the screws because some of them didn't fit properly into the flywheel, so now I finally replaced them and all of them fit properly into the flywheel, as you can see. Now they're all pretty much matching finishes, but as you can see, these two are replacements. This is a replacement. That's a replacement. Because I do have the other flat head, but that didn't go in there properly, so I went ahead and it didn't go in there all the way, so I took that out, placed the other flat head with a Phillips that I took from a Casablanca, my Casablanca Lanai right there. But I had spare screws that came with the fan, so yeah, I was thinking of installing it in my room. So if you want me to install this in my room, click like and subscribe more, and more videos will come. So yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy.